Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Ollama, the open source platform that lets you run large language models locally on your MacBook. This means you can generate text, code, and content privately without needing an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official website, ollama.com. On the homepage, click Download, then click Download for macOS, and the installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A window will appear with the Ollama app icon. Drag and drop the Ollama icon into your Applications folder. This installs the app on your Mac. You can now close the window and remove the installer if you want. Next, open Finder, go to Applications and launch Ollama. If a message appears saying, Ollama is an app downloaded from the internet, are you sure you want to open it? Just click Open. You may also see a prompt about installing the command line interface tool. Enter your Mac password to allow it. This enables advanced features and model management. The setup will complete automatically in the background. Now let's confirm the installation. Open Terminal, then type Ollama version. If you see a version number, that means Ollama is installed correctly. You can now download and run AI models locally. For example, to get Llama 3, type Ollama run Llama 3. The model will download, and once ready, you can start chatting with it right inside the terminal. If you prefer a visual interface, you can simply use the Ollama app from your Applications folder. And that's it. You're now ready to run powerful AI models on your Mac, completely offline.